That renovation you started in your Naperville home feels like the responsible move. It feels productive. It feels like you're protecting your value. But here's the mistake sellers make when they don't check first. They let confidence replace market reality. Before you spend another dollar, get your free home value so you know what buyers would actually pay, not what you hope the upgrades add. Most sellers don't renovate recklessly, they renovate logically. They want the home to show better. They want buyers to be impressed, and they want fewer objections. And at first, everything reinforces that decision. The space looks cleaner, the updates feel modern, and progress feels like value. And that's where the confidence comes from. And that confidence is powerful because it feels like control. But here's the problem. Once the renovation starts, sellers usually stop asking one critical question. What will buyers actually pay for this home right now? Instead, the thinking quietly shifts to, we're already into this, we should probably finish. It has to be worth more now. Nothing reckless happened, but the decision-making lens changed, and the market didn't. This is where sellers and buyers completely miss each other. You see effort, buyers see comparison. You see thoughtful upgrades, but buyers see inconsistency. You see a project that's almost done, and buyers see uncertainty. And uncertainty is expensive, because buyers don't credit intention, they price risk. An unfinished detail doesn't sit quietly. It creates questions. Questions slow decisions weaken offers, and at that point, your home isn't competing with other partially updated homes. It's competing with the clean, easy options buyers don't have to think about. That's when sellers feel stuck, and that's when confidence turns into pressure. This is the moment that matters most, not when the renovation starts, but when continuing feels easier than stopping, even if stopping would be smarter. Because once money is spent, logic feels personal, and personal decisions are hard to reverse. The market doesn't reimburse effort, it only rewards alignment. And in a previous video, I walked through the math. Remodel or sell as is in Naperville, the math sellers get wrong. Today is about why sellers feel confident renovating and where that confidence quietly breaks down. Here's the right way to think about this. Sellers don't lose money on renovations, they lose money on the wrong renovations, made at the wrong time without checking buyer reality first. And once you're halfway in, the cost of guessing goes way up. Before you keep going, get your free home value so you're not making renovation decisions in the dark. This isn't about committing to sell. It's about clarity before confidence locks you in. If you're renovating a home in Naperville or even thinking about it, the smartest move isn't finishing the project. It's clarity. Get your free home value before you decide, so you're not guessing what buyers will pay or assuming the updates will carry the price. This is Sean Gimpert with O'Neill Property Group. Get clarity on your home's value first, then decide what makes sense.